Okay, so this is my second video about using field maps to do culvert inventories. Specifically, this video is how to set up an offline area for your town so you can go out and do culvert inventories in the field without any cell or Wi-Fi service. So, you should only have to do this once. You don't have to do this every time you go out in the field. If you just do it once for your town, you can use it all field season and you should be good to go. If for some reason you get an email from Two Rivers or from the VT Culvert folks up in Chittenden County from Pam that says they've updated the app pretty significantly, you might want to re-download it, and I'll show you how to do that. But again, you should only have to do this maybe a couple times a year. So here's how we do it. So remember, we're using the second one of these two maps, the VT Culverts offline map. And these three little dots on the right are super important. So we're going to click on those, and we want to add offline area. So you click that, and then it zooms. In this case, it's zooming to Pittsford, but we want to take it over maybe to, let's go up to, let's say Brookfield. So here we are in Brookfield. You got to kind of make sure you get the whole town. The town boundaries kind of come in and out there, but that looks like it's roughly the whole town. So we zoomed around. We kind of used our two fingers to find the right spot. Looks pretty good. Brookfield's a weird shape. It's got that point down there, so we got to just scoot it over. So that looks just about right. So we've done that, and then the next thing you want to do is change the level of detail under Area 1 down at the bottom here. Click on that. Click on the room word. You want to change that to town. So again, down at the bottom here, above this blue box, I clicked on town. It would have said room if you were just starting, and I changed it to town. So now it says town. Now you're ready to go. You can click download area, and it should download your town, the area around your town, plus a few areas around the outside of it for you. You want to make sure you're obviously on a good Wi-Fi connection to do this. So make sure you're, at the garage or somewhere else with a good Wi-Fi connection. So we're going to click download area. It popped up this field maps would like to send you notification. That's fine. You can say don't allow. And now you can see up at the top there, Area 1 is downloading. So it's got that little progress circle, and that should take a little bit here. We'll wait for it. Okay, so our offline town area just finished downloading, and it tells you under Area 1 there how big it is. And obviously, if your mobile phone device is old and full up with photos of bridges and culverts and washouts, you're going to need to make sure you have enough room to download this on it. But it shouldn't be too big. It should only be about 250 megabytes. So it says Area 1. Tells you how big it is. It said it was downloaded just now, and it gives you the three dots. You can click on the three dots, and that's where you can do a couple things. You can rename the area to your town. I never bothered to do that. I mean, you're only doing one town. You can also remove the area. Again, that's in red there. That's what you'll need to do if you get an email from me or this person up in Chittenden County named Pam that says, we've changed the app a lot. if you've downloaded offline areas, you'll need to update them. So that's where you do that. You'll remove the area and then you'll add it in again. That won't happen very much, so you don't really need to worry about that. And then the most important one is up at the top here. That's the sync button. And that's what you'll use to, if you go out in the field and you leave your Wi-Fi or cell service, you will come back to the office after you've collected all your data in the field and get back on Wi-Fi, and then you'll hit the sync button. So I'll show you what that does. And in the separate video, I'll show you how to do the collection and coming back and syncing. But I'm just going to show you this now. This is the most important thing that's in those 3 dots there. So hit sync. It does its little thing. Takes a minute. In this case, we haven't collected any points to sync, so it didn't take very now. And then it tells you when it's synced. It said just now, so we should be good. And that's how you download an offline area for collecting culverts in the field.